We now leave you with some highlights from the Zhuhai airshow in southern China. Teams from China, Russia, and United Arab Emirates have staged stunning aerobatic performances. And the Russian night team, comprised of 5 Sukhoi Su-27 fighters, is the only team with heavy fighters conducting air shows at the event. The United Arab Emirates team impressed the audience by flying in spirals and creating color smoke. An interactive flight experience is also popular at this year's event. The show just has the second of the 3 public days, and the number of the visitors surged because of the weekend. Nearly 700 aviation companies from 41 countries and regions are taking part in the show. Now let's take a look at your weather. Bye for now.